There you go, see?
Get him?
Where'd he go? You literally took him out of existence. Oh, I keep thinking I'm seeing him.
Put this shit on your vlog.
Freaking fly.
Because bees are, they're very few.
Hey, let me get him up.
Shoot, I don't care how few bees there are. I will kill them. Wanna go flush him?
Ooh, ooh.
Let's see.
See a stinger? See on his butt?
Dang.
Damn.
See your butt still moving? Like Simba's dad. Pay attention.
The speech of a century. You just heard.
Damn, now I want to finish my cigarette now. If I only got like 6 left, and that's for all of us all day. Pour it liberally.
Not Republican.
Here, I'll do it and you can video blog it. Or Evan blog that for him.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Evan, would you vlog for him?
I don't even know where that came
It's
from.
on the microwave.
Oh man.
Does it smell good? Okay, so what you want to do is you coat them really good. Coat them really good. Keep going all the way around, all the way around. Okay, that's good. Now, put the lid on. It's gonna blow steam, but let me show you what you do. You put the lid on, tight. Shake. There you go. Now go like that. Open it up.
One.
Oh, yeah.
Damn.
You want more?
Maybe a little.
Okay, add what you want.
I love a lot of sauce on my wings.
Add what you want.
Oh, I got the camera lens soft.
Put it on there, half a bottle. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Woo! How's that?
Oh, this looks freaking amazing. Now we just gotta hope that the sauce is good.
Well, yeah.
Right? I guess we should have dipped our finger in it.
Too late. Once you open it, once you go open, you never go back.
Hey, that's pretty good.
I've had that one before. That's why I knew it was good.
Look at these together. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's wing time.
Oh, and then that plate over there, that's the one you put the wing on.
That'll work. There you go, Evan.
Booyah.
Evan.
Yes, sir. Are they bomb?
I don't know, let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The garlic parmesan garlic?
Oh, I tried yours.
They're good, huh?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so the good thing about most cars are, and this one doesn't have it, of course, is they usually have a diagram that tells you how to do the serpentine belt. Okay. Okay. So what I do is that on?
Yeah.
Okay. What I do is you want to find the tension. Okay. The tension is what loosens the belt. So what I like to do is I like to follow it. So we're going over the top and down, and you can see it. See, you can follow it the belt, and it comes up and curves up over here, and then underneath the tension. Is run that back. Real tight, weren't they?
I know. Well, at least it's empty.
It's okay, so now what we're going to do is, now we're going to take the 13 Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And out of 13, Brandon.
Bigger.
Believe that? Let's jump 2. Probably be a 14 on my left. 15. Okay? You can't put an extension. So, you've done these belts, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a push down one. So what you do is just take this, press, that's not the tensioner. And then you find out that that's not the tensioner anyways. That's not the tensioner. You don't have a tensioner on here.
That's like the only place for one though. Like that's the only place with that.
I know. I'm looking at it, it's not. It's a solid, that's a solid. And I hate those. Yep. Okay, so under the big pulley. Now let me see this belt. See the cracks?
Yeah.
Is that on?
Yeah.
Anyways, when belts get cracks,
Oh damn.
they slip. They can break in areas like that, even though the belt looks good. But if you feel it, it's slick.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now you look at that belt. This is a comparison. See, and it's not. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Now what I like to do is take that off. Hold it up. Stretch it. See how yours is stretched out?
Yeah.
That's the other reason. It's
All
getting
right.
soft and brittle. Okay, so I got it around the camshaft, and it's going to go up on this one,
Mm-hmm. Up on the next one.
like that.
Yeah. And it's gonna go under the farthest left one.
And it's going to go under the bottom one, right?
It has to go over. It has to go over this one too.
I know, we're not there yet. I got to go into this one down here, Brandon.
Yeah.
Then this, and then right back on the tensioner, right? See, there's something wrong, see?
Yeah. No. See, this one, it's right there. It goes over.
Okay, but
So when you come over the camshaft, like this one, how you have this one over, it continues up.
this, like that, right?
No.
Yeah.
No, see, look at the diagram. That's not right. It's gonna go over this one. It's gonna go over this, the whole way over, and it's gonna go under that one, and then back up to here. See, it's the same thing on that one. Hey guys, it is late. So I don't know if you guys didn't notice this, but I didn't go to work today. My car was jacked up. If you guys watched the end of time lapse very closely, you'll see that I kind of stopped at one point. My car has 0 antifreeze, 0 radiator, anything in it. That car's overheating to the max. So I couldn't go to work because I had to drive like 30 minutes that way. So, oh, it's a big bug. So we ate some dinner. Yeah, it's getting kind of late, but it feels good in here. Like, it's cool down here. It's freaking hot upstairs. I'll tell you that right now. It's 9:55, and you know, we just ate. My mom's upstairs. We're all doing good for right now, and I gotta put those in the fridge. and everything like that. Tomorrow's Saturday. I'm a day behind. I'm on call for tomorrow. Although, you know, they do call me in. I have to make sure my mom's home. Or somebody with a car. I think we're gonna go get like antifreeze in the morning. And then I'm doing on the 19th through the 22nd, I'm actually doing a dog sitting job for one of my mom's co-workers. And I mean, I've gone and I've done some stuff for the co-workers. This time it's a co-worker's mom who works at my mom's work too. It just confused everybody. I'm gonna go do that on the 19th to the 22nd. So I think tomorrow we're also gonna go over so I can go meet the dogs so they can get used to me before, you know, kind of do this whole thing. And so that's the plan for Saturday. And then Sunday I work, and then Monday I work. Tuesday and Wednesday I am off.